Okay, I just wanted to show the replacement trunk latch for this 2007 SL550 Mercedes. This should trigger when you close the trunk to pull it down the rest of the way, and also there's a sensor that's supposed to indicate that it's closed so that the car knows the trunk is closed. I'm just going to try to just close it manually. It doesn't see, it doesn't do anything. Sometimes it will make this operate for who knows what reason, and sometimes it'll do this where nothing happens. Doesn't make any sense. I just manually unlocked it. See, this thing works. This one here, which is for the opening. But yeah, cannot get it to to believe it's closed. It's really weird. So it's supposedly latched there, right? We go up here. It still thinks that the trunk is open. Yeah, so it doesn't make any sense. Let's see, I'm gonna so that part works. Okay, but if I try to, I'm just gonna actually close it. All right, here we go. Closing it. All right. See, it still thinks that the trunk is open. That's what that light indicates. And if I drive it, see, the car will give me the warning that the trunk is open. So, yeah, it's really weird. Don't understand it. I also tried this fuse. Tried that for the pump. Okay, do it out for a bit. Let's try putting that back in, and let's try to use it. So yeah, it opens up fine. If we try to close it though, let's try to manually do it or whatever. Oh, it worked that time. What the fuck? See, it works that time. Fucking miracle that. Yeah, but it's still showing the trunk is open. Oh, that's so bizarre. Okay, so I'm gonna unlock it. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to try to see if the soft close thing works again. Oh, it worked that time. Good. Okay, that's good. But it still thinks that it's open. So okay. So let's do this. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to actually close it. Doesn't look like it tried to pull it down, but Yeah, it still thinks it's open. Let's try it again. Let's unplug this thing again. I'm gonna unplug it. Okay. Wait for a bit. Put it back in. Okay. Going to unlock it. Okay. And I'm gonna close it. And it still thinks it's open. Let's see what it says here. Yeah, still thinks the trunk is open. So, man, I don't know what is going on. I mean, there's two cables that go to this. There's this one here. There's another one behind here. I'm not sure if I should, you know, somehow check those with a voltmeter to see what's up there, if there's anything that would, you know, any advice you could give me on that so I could just diagnose this, that'd be awesome. I just want to just rule out, I want to see, is it this part that's bad, or is it something else? Is it, you know, like I think the sensor to indicate it's closed is this, right? Because it's when this is latched, it pushes this, and then right there brings it closer. That's, so I don't know, is that the wire that goes behind here, is that the one that I should check to see if something's up with that? I don't know. So yeah, let me know what I can do to check it out, and I appreciate it. Bye.